If you have an outdoor space in your home and want to make an update, then you can change your outdoor furniture first, because it affects the look and feels when you and your family spend a lot of time in there. Secondly, you can install outdoor curtain for your patio, deck or your porch. It will make your outdoor area more beautiful. If you have a plan to buy some outdoor curtain for your patio, deck or your porch, well, this video is perfect for you. In this video we will show you more than 25 beautiful outdoor curtain ideas to inspire you on making the best outdoor space on your home. Hope it will be useful information for you.